Hey everyone, it's Norm here from Cars, and today I'm going to be doing a very short instructional how-to video on two things. First off, how to boost your Campagna T-REX in the event your battery goes dead. I know I had a hard time finding out the other day, so I'm going to do a short video for you, as well as I'm going to show you where the battery is and how to change it. Let's get started on this right now. So here on the driver's side, if you just go up here, and that bolt right there that's very obviously sticking out, that's your positive terminal. So you can hook a battery up with your positive on there. And then any frame bolt you see can be hooked up to your negative. So this one down here is a very good clear one with lots of access. So let's just go ahead and we'll grab our trusty booster pack here. All right, so we've got our positive hooked up in there, our negative hooked up down to the frame bolt. So if you just very carefully sneak on board of your T-REX, you should have enough power to put your key in, push the clutch in, and there you go, starts right up. So as you can see, we've got the T-REX jacked up. Now you're gonna wanna jack it up on this frame rail here. Obviously make sure you have your jack stands and safety equipment. And I'll show you the battery is located sort of underneath the seats, but only accessible with it jacked up like that. This is of course your trickle charger hookup. And if you look through the side intake vents, right where that bracket is where the battery would sit. So it's very awkward to get to. You are 100% going to need to jack it up. Just show you from this side, and just add a little light so you can see that's where your battery would have sat. And there it is from the other side. So like I said, you are going to need to jack it up, or if you have access to a proper lift, that would be even easier so you can get underneath. But that is the battery location on a Campagna T-REX. All right, I hope you guys found this video informative, instructional, educational, and hopefully it helped you out in boosting your T-REX or changing your battery. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. We do have lots of other T-REX content, so please feel free to check that playlist out. And if you like our videos, like I said, please subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.